Nigerian's Chief Justice Ariwoola nominates daughter-in-law Victoria Oluwakemi as FCT High Court Judge. It don't turn to family business. The Chief Justice of Nigeria, CJN, Justice Oluwakemi Ariwoola, has reportedly nominated his daughter-in-law, Justice Victoria Oluwakemi, as a judge to the Federal Capital Territory High Court in Abuja. The nomination was reviewed through documents obtained by People's Gazette and judiciary sources familiar with the process. Sahara reporters in July 2023 reported how the CJN succeeded in getting the National Judiciary Council (NJC) to appoint his son, Ariwoola Oluwakemi Jr., as a junior of the Federal High Court. Oluwakemi, according to sources, is Ariwoola Oluwakemi Jr.'s wife. This means that his son and his daughter-in-law, husband and wife, are now judges, courtesy of the CJN, one of the sources told Sahara reporters. Ariwoola also successfully installed his younger brother, Adeboye Ariwoola, as the editor of the National Judiciary Council, while his nephew, Lateef, was recently promoted to the Appeal Court. Also, some of his other relatives are heading the side oppositions across the judiciary bureaucracy, according to a recent observation by human rights lawyer Chede Odekalo, who has been tracking nepotism as a growing issue in the judiciary. The CJN, who assumed office in 2022, has elicited a little concern about the perception of the judiciary by Nigerians, and even admonished judges in October to remain indignant amid whispered agitation for the independence of the bench. The People's Gazette report that the 69-year-old CJN began lobbying to sit his Oluwakemi on the bench after he was notified in a January 18, 2024 letter from Sani Baba Yusuf, the Chief Judge of the FCT High Court, that 12 new positions had opened up in the court. Baba Yusuf reportedly urged Oluwakemi, the Attorney General of the Federation, and the Minister of Justice, AGF, Lateef, and the President of Nigeria Bar Association, NBA, Yakubu, to send candidates drawn from a dozen states. Baba Yusuf was quoted as saying, "In line with the National Judiciary Council guidelines and procedural rules for appointment of judiciary officers to superior courts, I hereby invite your Lordship, the Honorable Attorney General of the Federation, and the Minister of Justice, and the President of the Nigerian Bar Association to kindly nominate suitable qualified persons from the aforementioned state for appointment to the Federal Capital Territory High Court." He added that they should forward their candidate with resumes to his chambers latest by January 19, 2024. Baba Yusuf listed the states due to field candidates to the court as Bauchi, Bayelsa, Enugu, Imo, Kogi, Kwara, Lagos, Oyo, Plateau, Rivers, Taraba, and Zamfara. But the Gazette reported that checks shows that Oyo already has 2 judges on the FCT High Court, Mohammed Alhaji Madugu and Ajuke from Saki and Ibadan South West local government respectively. The court has 70 judges system-wide, and they are selected across the 36 states and FCT. Some states has 2 or 3 judges, while some like Ebonyi have none. Officials said that Ebonyi should have been among the 12 states to fill vacancies, as it currently has no position on the court, but another seat was opened for Oyo to allow the CJN to fill it with Oluwakemi, which would give Oyo 3 slots at the expense of states without a single slot. A judiciary source was quoted as saying the CJN personally asked the FCT, the CJ, to do this exercise to employ his daughter-in-law before his retirement in August, adding, when he's going to realize that the Nigerian judiciary is not his personal asset. Judiciary workers also took issues with Olukayode's nomination because she is a junior, Ariwoola's nomination because she is a magistrate with only 3 years experience. Having been appointed first in 2020, she is currently a grade 2 at Wasi Zone 2. Baba Yusuf did not return a request seeking comment, but a court official who spoke on the condition of anonymity reportedly said the senior judge would try to close ranks with aggrieved colleagues over the matter to avoid yet another revolt. The official said the chief judge has been trying to avoid any controversy for now, adding his hands may be tied right now with the nomination of the Chief Justice's daughter-in-law, but he might call his colleagues to a meeting and let them see things from his own point of view. The official reportedly felt that even if Baba Yusuf would consider dropping the CJN's daughter-in-law to ward of internal revolt, a positive outcome would be difficult because of the Chief Justice, who defied public uproar over his son, the junior brother, and others he pushed into top positions in the judiciary. This is the Nigeria we are today. Family business. So guys, let's hear from you. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Thank you.